Hello, welcome to CAD Technologies. Today we are going to learn how to explore the interface in Autocad. Okay, when you first begin the program, you comes to the start, and at the middle you can open the recent documents that you saved. And at the right, this is a notification area. Here you can gather more information by just dragging this like this. And this is a connection area. You can send your feedback and sign into AutoCAD 360 to store your file in cloud. And you can open your drawing by just selecting the appropriate template. So here I am going to select acad.dwt. So this is an interface of AutoCAD. At the top left corner, this is an application bar. You can have plenty of options right from here. And at the search bar, mainly the process like import, export and sharing the documents all comes under here. And at the search commands, if you don't know the commands inside the AutoCAD, you can explore right from here by just naming any commands like this. So an example I taken trim, so you can explore like this. So this is quick access toolbar. It includes new, open, save as, plot, and it also includes operations like redo and undo. You can add and subtract some few more items inside this by just customizing this drop down and select the required tools from here. And here you can comment any tools and phrases into AutoCAD help system, and this shows your account in AutoCAD 360. Here you can access the application and Autodesk community. And this home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, these are all the menu bars. Under this these options are comes under in ribbon bars. You can have more options by drop down the expanded items by drop down, so it will more useful while you are drawing. So this is a direction box. You can change your face in anywhere means north, east, south, west, or you can give a 3D view also. So this is a navigation bar. Mainly we are using for panning or zooming our drawing. And these tools are comes under in the draft settings. Here we can change our scaling for our drawing, and you can also change the ribbon items by changing the workspace. In default we have 3 workspace: drafting and annotation, 3D basics, 3D modeling, and you can also add the new workspace by customizing this. So let us see how to change the display. So in order to obtain, you need to type OP. It means option. So inside that we can easily change windows elements, layout elements, and display resolutions also. So if you're supposed to change the crosshair size of your cursor, you can by just dragging like this, or else you can directly enter the value inside the box. And if you're supposed to change the color of 2D model space or sheet layout or block editor, you have an option here, and you need to select the appropriate color right from here. So I'm going to give apply. Okay. So that's it about the interface. So hope you guys like this video. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.